full week usually means overpacking. Multiple bags, too many outfits, and still somehow nothing to wear. So I challenged myself to pack for an entire week's vacation in just one carry-on. And I actually think I found a method that worked. Today I'm showing you how to build a warm weather travel capsule using just 10 pieces of clothing and 2 pairs of shoes. And I turned it into over 50 outfit combinations. And the best part, these are all real life outfits that you would actually wear. So let's build that capsule. Before I show you the pieces, here's the key thing to making travel capsules actually work. And that is everything has to go with everything. That's it. There's no one-off tops to match those bottoms. There's no shoes that only work for one outfit. There's no just-in-case piece that never actually leaves the suitcase. The goal is fewer pieces, but more outfits. And it makes vacations so much easier because you stop guessing and trying to figure out what you're gonna wear every day, and you just mix and match the pieces that you brought. Okay, let's get into the pieces. The first one is a basic tank top. This is one of those layering pieces that is gonna work with every single bottom that we're bringing. You can wear it alone during the day, you can wear it layered over a jacket in the evening, you can tuck it into a skirt for an elevated feel, or you can just pair it with shorts for a casual day out. It literally works with everything. Next up, we have a basic neutral t-shirt. Again, this is all about versatility. A simple tee instantly makes the outfits feel relaxed and casual, which is perfect for travel days, sightseeing, grabbing coffee, or even a theme park. All of it. And neutrals are key for a capsule wardrobe because they allow your bottoms and your accessories to do the work. Next up, we have a graphic tee. I added a graphic tee because otherwise this capsule wardrobe can get a little boring. A graphic tee adds personality without making things hard to mix and match. It gives outfits a more effortless vibe, and it makes the capsule feel less repetitive in photos too. Moving on to a striped long sleeve. Stripes are basically a neutral at this point. They add visual interest while still pairing with almost everything. This piece makes outfits feel a little bit more styled without trying too hard. And if you're someone who tends to pack all solids, adding one striped piece instantly gives your outfits more variety. Next up, a denim jacket. I don't think that I've ever traveled to a warm weather destination without packing a denim jacket. Even when it's hot during the day, restaurants, planes, evenings, and hotels can get chilly. A denim jacket works with every single outfit in this capsule. It's probably the hardest working piece in the entire suitcase. All right, moving on to bottoms. First up, a good pair of denim shorts. This is a must for a warm weather vacation. They work with every single top in this capsule, and the shoes completely change the vibe. Sneakers make the outfit feel casual and practical for long walking days, while sandals instantly dress it up a little bit more. This is probably what I'd wear for things like exploring beach towns, farmers markets, or casual dinners. Denim shorts just work for everything. Next up is a black skirt. I think skirts are so underrated for travel. You get the comfort of shorts, but they look more polished in photos and outfits. This piece can go sporty, casual, or dressy depending on the shoes and the top that you pair it with. And black is one of the best colors for travel colors because it hides wrinkles, spills, and basically everything else. Then we have this fun red skirt. I added a red statement skirt because this is proof that capsules don't have to be boring neutrals. The trick is pairing one statement piece with lots of basics. Because even though the skirt stands out, it still works with the tank top, the graphic tee, the striped top, the denim jacket, all of it. This kind of piece helps your vacation photos feel more fun and different without requiring a whole separate wardrobe. Next are brown wide leg pants. You can do any neutral, it doesn't have to be brown. I just really love these brown ones. I love having one pair of lightweight pants in a warm weather capsule because sometimes you want to feel a little bit more covered up at dinner, on a plane, or during cooler evenings. These instantly elevate the outfits while still being comfortable. And brown acts like a neutral, so it still mixes really easily with the rest of the capsule. One other accessory that I absolutely love is a bandana. This is one of my favorite travel accessories because you can wear it in so many different ways. You can wear it in your hair, you can put it around your bag, you can even wear it as a belt. Tiny accessories like this help outfits feel different in photos without taking up suitcase space. Okay, now let's talk about shoes. Arguably one of the hardest and the most important pieces that you're gonna travel with. I did one casual sneaker and one dressy sandal. The sneakers are great for airport days, lots of walking, sightseeing, and casual outfits, while the sandals instantly make everything look more polished for dinners or nicer outfits. Just swapping the shoes completely changes the vibe of an outfit without needing extra clothes. I think one of the reasons why people overpack is because they pack outfits instead of interchangeable pieces. So instead of thinking I need 7 different outfits for 7 different days, think about how many combinations can I make with these 7 to 10 different items. Because once you realize that everything can mix and match, you suddenly need way less stuff than you were originally gonna pack. Most of us actually only wear half the stuff that we pack anyways. Travel should not feel stressful before you even leave. You don't need 3 giant suitcases. You don't need 6 pairs of shoes. And you definitely don't need an entirely different outfit for every single day of your trip. The whole point of a travel capsule is making travel easier. There's less packing, there's less decision making, there's less overthinking, and there's more room for all those souvenirs that you can buy on your trip. I hope this was helpful for your next trip, and let me know if there's any other trips that you're planning that you would love a capsule wardrobe for. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for being here.